Hello, Matthew from Panasonic, and I'm here to introduce you to some new exciting products that we'll be releasing early in 2022. A lot of our customers have been asking us what makes these new cameras so new. One of them is the new direct drive motor system. This new motor system increases positional accuracy, speed accuracy, dynamic accuracy when compared with traditional geared system. So there's virtually no backlash and no lost motion when in any direction when you're moving, which is perfect for those VR, AR studios. We also have increased optical quality with the brand new 4K lenses and brand new 4K MOS sensors. The new 4K lens is a 24 times optical zoom that can be extended out to 36 times when in eye zoom mode. And we also still feature that wide 74-degree angle of view at the wide end, so perfect for both small rooms and large spaces. When you combine that with the direct drive motors, your preset positional accuracy is plus or minus 0.1 degree. We took a lot of feedback from our existing customers about what they wanted to see in this user interface, and we've built that into this new camera. So it's a very sleek new design. It has very clear menu structures for all your PTZ and other functions, and it's also now on a black background. So if you're an operator in a dark environment, it's easy to operate and navigate. The other thing that's really exciting about these cameras is that they're all packed with protocols, supporting multiple industry standards, but especially in the UE80, we have 3D protocol, which is FREED, and that protocol allows you to directly link from the camera to your virtual reality engine and create dynamic tracking in a very low cost and easy way.